HP Pavilion, and it is a HP Pavilion TouchSmart 14-inch SleekBook. And have an issue with the hard drive here. So I'm gonna show you how to get into this unit and change out the hard drive. All right, so first I'm just gonna do this, flip this over. You're gonna take all these screws out here, here, back here, over here, there, right there, there, back there, and back there. As you can see, I already took those out. And this cover doesn't lift up. You have to actually take the keyboard off first, which that's the side that the hard drive is on. So basically, what you'll do in this instance, you have to pop this keyboard up, and you're gonna have to go in the corner over here and slice all the way across with a thin and get this thing to pop up. And then once you pop that up, you're gonna go around the edges of this and you're gonna pop this layer up right here. And then once you lift this up, of course you got your ribbons under the bottom, you gotta be careful. You'll be able to see your hard drive and swap out your hard drive if you're having that type of issue. But I'm gonna show you how to change it out. So let's go. Stay tuned. All right. So I'm gonna try to do this with one hand, and you're gonna try to get right. This still has the plastic on it, so you're gonna try to get right behind here. You wanna dig in between here and kind of pop this up. So with me doing this with one hand, let's see if I can get this pop up. You want to go all the way down this, as you can see. You want to go all the way down, popping this up. And that's the goal, is to go all the way across, pop it up, pop it up. You know the routine here. Go all the way around, get this loose. It's a ribbon under the bottom, and I'll show you how to take that loose. All right, as you can see, this is up. See, that's up, lift up from here. These got some on the bottom under here. Just, get those out of there. You could pop them up the same way, So I didn't pop this back end up, but with the tool, it's got a little bit of glue there, as you can see. And basically, if you get under here, you can see the ribbon right there. And you want to be careful under there with that ribbon. So I'm gonna take this off, and I'll get back with you guys in a second. This is up, and you will want to pop that ribbon sits this way, and you want to pop this little black level up and slide the ribbon out. And then you're gonna remove all your screws here. Every screw you see in here, you want to take them out. And then once you take them out, you'll be able to get to your hard drive. And you got ribbons here, so basically you're gonna lift the little flaps up. You can see the flap is up there. And you want to do the same for this one. Lift the flap up. This has a little piece of tape over it. I'll move that in a second. But yeah, and then slide your ribbons out this way, slide them out. And then we'll get to this hard drive. All right, let's be back in a second. You want to get in between here. I already popped it up a little bit. Shouldn't go all the way around. As you can see, it's tight here. If I could do some of this with one hand for you. See, you can pop that all the way up, all the way around. So you can go all the way around the computer, all the way around both sides. And once you pop it up, all of this right here is gonna come up, and then you can see your hard drive. All right, so we're gonna get back to it, and I'll show you guys where we at in a second. So as you can see, once you pop that up, pull it off, it comes off pretty easy too, so it's not that hard. So basically, this laptop, you got to go from the top versus most laptops, you come from the bottom to get to the hard drive. You know, I guess they want to make it a little bit more difficult to change out, but as you can see, your hard drive is right here, and you'll unhook this ribbon. Don't pull on this. This is soldered to this board over here, and then you just remove your screws. As you can see, there's a few screws in there, and basically go in reverse order. Put your new hard drive in, and I mean, you know, take your old hard drive out, and pretty much we ain't got to go through all these steps before you get your hard drive out. I mean, you see the screws that's holding it in, and then after that, just take it out. All right. Catch you guys on the next one.